Imagine this, a flower so luxurious it looks unreal, petals layered like silk, a fragrance that stops people mid-step. Most believe peonies can only bloom in large gardens. That belief is wrong. You can grow jaw-dropping peonies in a pot, on a balcony, terrace, or even a small patio, if you follow the right method. This guide reveals exactly how to do it, step by step. The secret starts with the pot. Peonies don't forgive mistakes, and the pot is where most people fail. Choose a container at least 18 inches wide and 18 inches deep. Why? Because peonies grow deep, powerful roots. No drainage holes equals guaranteed root rot. If water can't escape, your peony won't survive. The soil that makes or breaks blooming. Peonies hate wet feet, but love nourishment. Use fast-draining, rich soil. 1 part compost, 1 part garden soil, 1 part peat moss. This balance holds moisture without drowning the roots. Fill the pot, but leave 2 inches of space at the top. This gap matters more than you think. Choose the right peony. Not all are equal. Big mistake most beginners make: planting the wrong variety. For pots, choose compact, strong stem cultivars. Festiva Maxima, Bowl of Beauty, Sarah Bernhard. These bloom heavily without collapsing under their own beauty. Planting. 1 inch too deep can kill blooms. This is critical. Place the root so the top bud is no more than 2 inches below the soil. Deeper than that, leaves will grow. Flowers won't. Firm the soil gently. Water deeply. Let the roots settle. Sunlight equals flower power. Peonies are sun lovers. They need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Morning sun is gold. Afternoon sun is fuel. Protect them from strong wind. Peony blooms are stunning but fragile. Watering and feeding, the golden balance. Check the soil. If the top inch is dry, water deeply. Never let the pot sit in standing water. During the growing season, feed with a balanced slow-release fertilizer. Too much fertilizer equals leaves, no flowers. Balance is everything. Pruning. Let the plant breathe. After flowers fade, cut spent blooms immediately. This saves energy for next season. In late fall or early spring, cut foliage to ground level. Improve air circulation. Reduce disease risk. Add mulch to protect roots from temperature shocks. Winter survival, the step most people skip. Potted peonies feel winter more intensely than ground plants. Before frost, wrap the pot with burlap or bubble wrap. Move it to a cool, sheltered place. Keep temperature above freezing. Skip this, and you start from zero next year. Final truth: peonies aren't difficult. They're precise. Give them heavy checkmark space, heavy checkmark sun, heavy checkmark drainage, heavy checkmark patience, and they'll reward you with blooms that look too perfect to be real. You don't need a garden. You just need the right method. And now you have it.